Today is a bummer of a day. It is October 28th. Actually, it's October 29th. And I have to take the boat. Well, I don't have to, but I'm choosing to take the boat out of the water to bring it home and winterize. The catch here is that, as you can tell, I'm in my car, which I can't tow the boat with. Laura's parents took Rob to Columbus for the weekend. They used our Jeep, so I'm actually going to switch cars with a friend of ours so that I can go pick up the boat. I am off and rolling. I'm in the Larry Santos Chevrolet pickup, which feels absolutely humongous compared to the Jeep or the Mercedes, but I bet it will tow like a champ, and I am very appreciative. Hooking up the trailer without a backup camera is kind of a pain in the ass, but when there's no boat on it, it's a little bit easier. Turns out I'm not strong enough to lift this thing on. Drama in that I forgot the light adapter, so I couldn't back the trailer up without jamming a penny in the thing, and then the brake's still locked. And also, I didn't tie the boat to the dock, so I had to jump into it and got my pants a little bit wet, but overall, ready to rock. I'm gonna make one quick pit stop on the way home, and that is to fill Larry's truck up with gas as a thank you because he did me a big favor by letting me use it. That we slid down backwards when we were bringing this boat home from the dealer the first time, or right when we bought it. Laura was like 8 months pregnant or something like that, and it sucked and it was scary because it was all icy, but we lived and the boat got fixed. So all in all, not a huge issue. There's my driveway. That is the hill that I have to back up to get the boat into. So I'm either going to come back with the trailer wire adapter or some wire cutters and some wire. Garage is a mess. I'm kind of a slob. Alright, so I have no adapter, but I do have a drill battery and I have these wires. So rig this together. Should be good. The drill battery backup light trick worked, so boat is back in the driveway. Actually, it's not in the driveway, it's on the grass next to the house, and I can go return Larry's truck.